Having trouble seeing your Tesla app on your Apple Watch? You're not alone. This video will guide you through the common reasons and fixes. The primary issue is often region-based availability. Tesla's app isn't listed in every App Store region due to local regulations. We'll cover how to check and, if necessary, adjust your App Store region to resolve this. To check your iPhone's App Store region, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the Settings screen, then select Media and Purchases from the menu. Choose View Account to access your account settings. Check the Country Region option to see your current App Store region. If your region is not supported, like the United States or Canada, you may need to change it. Be aware this might require a payment method tied to the new region. After installing the Tesla app, you can revert to your original region if needed. Remember, this is a common fix for Tesla app issues on Apple Watch. First, ensure the Tesla app is installed on your iPhone. The Watch app should automatically install through the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. To ensure everything is up to date, go to Settings, General, Software Update to sync. If it doesn't appear, try restarting both your iPhone and Apple Watch. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. Tesla recommends pairing the watch directly through the iPhone's Bluetooth menu if syncing fails. This often resolves initial connection issues. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve the issue, try addressing authentication problems. Start by logging out and back into the Tesla app on your iPhone to refresh your credentials. If that doesn't work, reset the Watch app settings on your Apple Watch. Navigate to Settings, then General, Reset, and select Reset All Settings to clear the app's data and force reauthentication. Keep in mind that resetting all settings will affect other watch configurations as well. Tesla uses geo-restrictions to comply with local data privacy laws, like GDPR in the EU. The Tesla app relies on Tesla's API to communicate with your vehicle via cellular or Wi-Fi. The Watch app is a lightweight interface that mirrors iPhone functions, but it requires your iPhone to be nearby or connected. If you're in a region without Tesla service, the app may not be available at all. Be aware that jailbroken devices or VPNs can sometimes block app visibility. Jailbreaking removes Apple's security restrictions, but it can prevent the Tesla app from appearing properly and introduces significant security risks. VPNs can also cause issues by masking your location, which affects the App Store's region-based app availability. This might make the Tesla app invisible if you're connected to a VPN. Remember, the Apple Watch Tesla app isn't a standalone download. It's an extension that appears only after the iPhone app is properly installed and synced. Attempting unofficial methods bypasses this setup. Using unofficial installation methods can lead to security vulnerabilities and may violate Tesla's terms of service, potentially resulting in account suspension or other issues. Always stick to official channels for a safe experience. Tesla is reportedly testing Android Wear integration to expand compatibility beyond Apple Watch to other smartwatches. Future Tesla app updates may incorporate artificial intelligence for predictive sync fixes, potentially auto-resolving region issues through intelligent geolocation and user behavior analysis. The broader trend is moving toward greater wearables integration in the electric vehicle space, with more automakers adopting smartwatch controls for enhanced user convenience. By 2030, experts predict full independence of watch apps from iPhones through Tesla's API expansions, allowing direct vehicle communication without relying on smartphone connectivity. If you've tried all these steps and your Tesla app still isn't appearing on your Apple Watch, it's time to contact Tesla support directly. There might be an issue specific to your account or vehicle configuration. Also, check Tesla's official app support page and Apple's watchOS guides for the latest fixes.